look and try to check for the next trade real quick. Let's see what we got. Not at all, sir. All right, let's go in and seek out this next trade. You see this 31.79. That's what I'm looking at. Let's go into Nadex real quick. Let's see what the pricing is. None of it. We got 31.77. Let's. I'm all over the place. Let me move this down real quick. 31.77. See what it take a look at it real quick. 31.75. We're at. We're still going down. So 31.77 is a look for us. Let's bring that up. Let's go here with 17 right here. We already missed it. I'm being very slow, taking my time, and we already missed our actual trade for this duration. And we'll find another one. I'd have been fine. This guy over here was bugging me. Lost my focus real quick. I'm trying to catch the trade. This guy over here, don't worry about him. Looks like we're not going to catch that 77. We probably catch 75. I don't want to chase it though. So we'll wait. Come back for that 31.75 on our next go around. All right, I'm gonna stay with it. Since we got some time on my clock here, my screen time clock. We got some time, so I'm gonna stay with it for a minute, and so you can watch again the process. I'm looking at 31.75 now, so let's go over here. I'm gonna put my big line here. I'm gonna put it on 31.75 just so I can look at it. So there goes my line. And for the first 2 minutes, 2.5 minutes, I'm just watching, seeing how the market reacts. All right, we could even go a little further down real quick, drill down a little bit. Just watch how the market is reacting at this point right now. Possibility we won't even catch our 75 strike, since it's at 72.5 right now, so 73 is probably the strike that's in play. But I keep it at 75 for now until we turn over and look at our Nadex pricing. Let's look at it now real quick and see what Nadex is showing real quick. Just want to see what it looks like. It's something we do got a option on 75 right now and 73. We like 75, but we'll probably end up with 73 because 75 by the time we go in might be priced out of our range. Let me look at higher time frame. All right, we got about 3 minutes and change. It's at 75. Let me push this down to 73 really quickly. All right, now let me check my Nadex pricing and my actual platform, my TradingView or your MT4 platform. Let's see what we got. 73.8 about right, and about 5/10 of a pip off. So I'm all right with that. I'm looking at this 73 right now. We would look like we were just even a little bit. Now we dropped down a little bit. So I'm still just watching. Once again, first 2.5 minutes, usually 2 minutes or so, I'm just watching so I can see how the bar actually progresses. I want to know some characteristics, its personality, so to speak. So that's what I'm looking at, and that's at 73. We're right at above 73 right now. Let's see. Nadex pricing is right at 73. All right, so our 75 is there in play right there. I still don't believe we'll probably catch that 75. Sometimes we will have a chance to and get it. Do 5 contracts on this one. Like I said, we'll see if we'll be able to catch it. How much time we got left? We got 2 minutes left. Okay, we got saw that little push on our side. Then it might push down after that. So 73 might end up being our number. See how 73 is a chance. Very close though. Now 73 finally looked like it dropped. But once again, it didn't drop like I wanted it to if I was going into the strike at 73. See, my strike at 73, I would want it to have dropped and kept dropping. You see right happened here. It dropped and then it stopped. And now it's giving you problems. So that's not the type of trade you want to get into. That's why I picked this higher trade at 75. All right. I should have actually been put this up on there real quick. Let's see what happens, because we won't get the price we want for that. I just placed that up there real quick just to show you how that goes. But we won't get that price really. We'll get priced out again. And today we're getting priced out a lot, but that's just how it is sometimes. You just get priced out. You know. And when you're priced out like that, it's okay, because you're keeping your money in your account. You're not losing money. Anything that's the opposite of losing money, it's okay for you to do. All right, so we got priced out of that 75, and we're cool with that. So we couldn't get into that. Actually, we got priced out what, the 73, right? Yeah, got priced out at the 73. So we're good with that. Let's go on when this one finishes up. Let me see what's happening with it. It just finished up. It just finished up at what? About 72.4. So I could still be looking at 73 actually. I could still stay there. I'll push it down. Let me see real quick so I get more about what's going on. Okay, I'm watching for the first 2 minutes as usual. See the same process. I'm just doing the same process all over. I didn't move this thick line here because that particular thick line didn't need to be moved at the time, because I'm just looking at the same price, strike price really, because market hasn't moved that much. All right, so when you look at your particular platform, you might have the blue and silver bars that Mark uses. I like the green and red just because I'm used to it. All right, so these colors could be anything you want, but the actual methodology I think is important for you to get. All right. So we're watching not much movement right now at that. We're on 31.73. Let's check Nadex real quick. See what type of pricing we got. We got a price at, it's still on 31.73 right now. All right. So I got a price at 71. I could look at going above 71. Maybe that's a possibility. I'm gonna stick around for a minute. I'll actually just put it up, so at the time I'll be ready to hop into it. But it's another one we're probably not going to make it into this trade. And once again, this is how I'm doing it at this particular time, because if I don't make it in the trade, I just don't make it in the trade, and it's not a big deal with me, because I'm just going to keep doing the same thing, and eventually the trade that I do get into will be an easy winner. All right, it won't be a lot of holding your breath and wondering. All right, so that's the thought pattern with this. I'm gonna wait around. I'm gonna stick around right now. I could have been in the trade, because it looks like the 31.71 strike price, we was over that pretty high. It was still over it, relatively high. So we might have could have went into that, but we're just being patient. We're being patient. We want to give ourselves the best chance of winning. All right, so I'm just going to stick around. I'll take a peek at the market, see what it's doing. Okay, at 70, it's lower than that 73 price. It went down to that 71, right? So I could move this down because I think I want to look at the 71 strike price more so. I think I want that. So I'll put that right on my 71. Back to Nadex. See, we up. Boom. That's a good number. I'm a buy, I believe. Place my order. I'm in this particular trade at 31.71, and we got a minute 30 seconds left. This is at $75, so about $25 a piece. This would be about $125 for this trade. So we're just going to wait and see what happens with the trade. Let's just wait. We're at 71. So we can't be below this yellow line right here by the time the buzzer goes off. So we're just going to chill out, and we're going to wait it out right now. Excuse me. I'm just going to wait it out right now. And this is the same, just the same process that we're going to use all the time. We don't kind of really change the process. Some of the ways we look at things inside the process might change here and there, but the process is the same. And this is what's going to enable you to be able to take consecutive winning trades over and over and over again by just following the protocols. As soon as you start deviating and trying to do other little things that you think is going to work, that's when you're going to have a problem. Okay? This is TeamAlliance. There we go, right? See, 6 seconds left, 31.71. We had to be over. We had 31.72. All right? So, very simple trade right there. And all we did was just follow the protocol. Follow the protocol, right? So that's an easy $125. And I'm finished for the day. I'm finished for the day. I took about $125. I might probably go, that's a lot. I'll probably go back in for one more trade, you know, even out about $200 for the day. I like to have at least a $200 for the $250 day. That's just me. You know, you're starting out. So do things right from the start. All right? Enrico Jenko. Somewhere on this page, I know my information, TeamAlliance. You'll get with us and we'll give you a private one-on-one session and show you how to do exactly what we're doing just like this. All right? See you real soon.